If you're over 55 and your shoulder surgery technically went well, but recovery still feels harder than you expected, this is for you. I'm an orthopedic shoulder surgeon, and I've helped many adults over 50 through rotator cuff repair and recovery. One of the most common frustrations I hear is this: the surgeon said everything looked good, so why does this still feel so hard? There's an assumption that if the repair was solid and the procedure went smoothly, recovery should feel steady and predictable. But age changes the recovery experience in ways that don't show up on an operative report. As we get older, tissue quality changes, circulation changes, sleep changes, inflammation behaves differently. None of that means something went wrong. It simply means your body is working with a different set of variables than it did at 35 or 45. After 55, recovery often feels slower, not because you failed, but because the biology is different. Another piece people don't talk about enough is energy. Healing takes energy. If you're balancing other health issues, medications, stress, or just normal fatigue that comes with this stage of life, recovery can feel heavier, more draining, less linear. That doesn't mean the repair isn't holding. It doesn't mean you're behind. What I often see is someone comparing their progress to a younger person or to what they imagine recovery should look like. When they can't lift as quickly or sleep as comfortably, they start to quietly question whether something is wrong. That doubt creates tension, and tension makes everything feel worse. If you haven't already watched my video called Why Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair, I recommend it. It's linked below. In that video, I explain why slow does not automatically mean unsuccessful and how to interpret what your body is doing during this phase. And if you're in the post-operative period, I also created a simple post-op shoulder surgery checklist to help organize your thinking and reduce some of the mental noise that tends to creep in. That's linked below as well. And if you're in the post-operative period, I also created a simple post-op shoulder surgery checklist to help organize your thinking and reduce some of the mental noise that tends to creep in. That's linked below as well. Here's the most important thing I want you to hear. Recovery after 55 can feel harder even when everything is going right. Harder does not mean broken. Slower does not mean failing. Different does not mean damaged. Your body is adapting at its own pace. Understanding that difference can take a surprising amount of pressure off your shoulders, physically and mentally. Thanks, family. See you next Monday.